And alright, in this video, I want to show you how you can create a free website using the website I use, card.co, to create a website. Okay, this is not compulsory, anyways. But if you want to attract more attention, you don't want to direct them to your WhatsApp straight up. You can use this simple strategy I want to use to create a website for yourself. Okay, so the thing is simple. It's very easy, and it's a free website. You're not paying any money for it. So I'll be opening two of my browsers so that I can use it to explain well. So here is my my Chrome browser. Okay, let me just open one of these thing I did, one of it. Okay, n with k.card.co. So yeah, I can edit everything I've done here. I can edit it because this was the page you've accessed first. Okay, so these are the messages you saw. Everything is not as if I coded anything. I just imported it. this is where this is where you can this is where you can add anything you want to add. Maybe text. You can see the image, links, audio, even video. Okay, the audio it can accept is in form of, it should be in your drive. I'll show you how you can upload it to your drive. Then if you want to upload video, it should be a YouTube video. Okay, so it's not as if I add any YouTube video. Digistem had a video that they made. Okay, I just had to copy the link of that video. I opened the YouTube channel for myself and I pasted the video there. So I copied the YouTube link. That was what I used to create, add my video in the other website. This website allows you to create three free websites for yourself. Okay, so because you don't know, let's use Opera Mini so that it is going to open afresh for newbie. Okay, now this is the website, www.card.co. Okay, card.co. So once you get the page, you tap on this, choose a starting point. Okay, so after you've chosen a starting point, there are so many templates you can use. For this one, I use this because it's blank, everything is white. All right, so I just imputed just used text and everything because I never understood that. I haven't understood how this thing works very well. So that was why I did not use a template for it. Okay, but there are so many templates you can use. These are designs. This was the one I used to make the other website you were directed to when you came to my DM. This one here, you can see why it's yellow. So I'll show you that anyways. So if you want to make a blank something, you can just tap on this select blank canvas. So it's going to be a blank, nothing is going to be there. So you tap on the three icon here. See, you have the chance to copy anything I write. Okay, you can just copy everything and use it to make your own. All right, let's make this easy for ourselves. Let's make it easy for ourselves. Okay, so let me visit the website itself. Okay, you can copy this thing, just hold it down. 800 to 1 naira. Okay, 800 naira to, you can just convert it to your, let's take it back to Opera Mini. Just you tap on the text after you've tapped on this plus button. So this is the text. Just put what I did there. You can copy everything, does not matter. Okay, you can use to create your website. 800 naira to, you have seen it there. So there are some things you need to do. These are the instructions there. These are the instructions. If you want to bolding, you have to put 2 star, then another 2 star in front. Okay, if you want to put italics there, I think it's, you have to put this you have to use these signs that is there. Okay, just copy. If you want to change and put color, let's say for example now, the one I did here, the one I did in this one has um it has red color. So this is what you do. Just check the instructions, everything is there. This is the instruction here, that if you want to add color to text, you have to bracket the color, then put the color name there. Okay, so that's what you are going to do. Just put this one in brackets, then use this other sign. Maybe if you want red, then just put red there. Red red you can write it in small letter or capital letter, so the thing will change to red itself. You can see it. So if you want to make it bold, you can put star star, because it's star star that is the instruction for the bold. Okay, no, I think the star star is going to be after the red. Star star. Okay, so you see it's bolder now. It's bolder now. So um you can decide to change the font to something bigger. You can edit this thing. These are the instructions up here. So you can increase the size. Okay, so you can see this thing is easy. It's easy to do. You can change the position. Just delete this. Nothing is here. Nothing is here yet. You can increase the size. Okay, then if you want to add another thing, maybe another text again, just come here and add the text. You can go back to my this thing and copy what I did there. That's just the same way you'll be doing all of these things. They are simple. Let me do this one so we can move to picture. So let's make it bold. Start start. So tap on done. You can reduce the size here. You can just edit it just to make it look professional. So when people comes to your DM, this is how you just keep editing. If you want to add picture, tap on the image, tap on upload. Okay, so it will take you to your pictures. I don't even know how this Opera Mini operates. Okay, so it will take you to your file manager where you can select any picture. I just took this picture randomly. So you can resize it to what you want. Then just tap on this. You tap on this corner here. The thing is at this corner, it's not this arrow you in that green thing at that corner. That's what you tap on. So tap on it. The picture has added itself. Okay. So you can just keep editing it. Okay. So you can download all my stuffs, even the picture self. Once you tap on this thing, hold it down, you see download image. Once you tap on download, you can download it and put it on your own page. Okay, so that's the same way you'll be doing all of these things. This join the masterclass. You can is a text on its own, because you can even change the font of this text. Let me show you how you can change the text font. So you can change the font here under the settings, then scroll down, then tap on this default font. There are so many fonts there, so you can choose any font you want. You can choose any font. Then I think I underlined it. This is size. You can even change the just work on this. These things are easy things you can do on your own. Okay, so there was something I did. Okay. If you want to this join the masterclass, if you tap on it now, it will take you to my WhatsApp. What this means is that you can do it on your own too. Instead of adding text, you just add the ink here. Tap on this ink that is here. So add it. So it will you see add, then tap on this add. Then you put the ink. You can put your WhatsApp link here, because that's my WhatsApp link I added there. Then once you put your WhatsApp link, oh wa dot me, this is the normal WhatsApp link for every WhatsApp. Forward slash +234 So after you've added it, then you add the text that you want to put there. Maybe join this masterclass. These are things you can work on your own. They are simple. Okay, so then just tap on done. It's there. So if anybody tap on this thing to take them to WhatsApp, let me edit it. So you can edit this thing. You can change the font. You can change the font to a better one. There are so many fonts there. You just work on them. Okay, you can increase the size. You can change the color of the ink. You can change it to maybe red. Okay, these are things you can work on your own. You can make it bolder. Okay, you can see if anybody tap on this thing. Sorry, there's not supposed to be ink there. Okay, so if anybody tap on this thing, it's going to take them to WhatsApp. Because of the font I use, that's why it's small like this. You can think, you can work on the font, can increase the size. This was the font I used for my own. Then I think just work on this. These things are simple things, okay? So I don't want this video to be too young. You can say once you tap on it, you take them to your WhatsApp. After you have created WhatsApp call, then I think these are just simple. You can just add text, you can add anything there. And once you are done, you tap on this um you tap on this three icon here, okay? So once you tap on it, it will tell you to publish site. Then you add the name that it will display. Maybe I am something marketing. You can just put anything there, okay? You can put your name. All right, I think you have to create an account. Okay, this is not compulsory anyways, but just do it. Create an account, put password. Then this is the title. And these are the important things that is going to display when you are trying to enter the website description. Maybe how to earn money online. Then you can put the website name. I added Coach K to my own. Coach K. You can put your name. You can put any name there. Just as soon as you put your name, then you tap on pop. You type on. It will tell you if it's available. So let me just write rubbish there. Then you just tap on publish to publish what you've done. The thing is available. Okay. How to earn money online. The reason why this publish is not working is because I have not created another account. So you have to create an account here. Put your email password. Don't worry. They are not charging you anything, okay? It's free. You have chance to create 3 free websites of your own. So that's for that. Then you tap on publish. Then it will publish your site. Then you can start doing anything on it. Then let me show you how I did the second website. This second website, okay? So you can do this one too for yourself. This one is ready-made templates. It's not as if I had to go and be designing websites. It's already made. You can see it. It's ready made. So let's go back to. All right, I went back to this page. I went back to this page. So I told you I used this one for the other website I made. Okay. So these are things. If you spend like 2 hours doing this thing, you'll be done with it. Okay. So you can tap on. This was the one I used. The template was already made there. I was just changing the stuff that was there. Okay. So what I added here was, I think was it was a text. I deleted this picture. I deleted it. So no, no, what have I done? Alright, just I'm trying to remove this container. No, 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 no. Undo. You can just take this empty container somewhere else. Alright, this Gravida. That was where I wrote welcome to my info funnel. Alright, so I aligned it to the center. It is where you can align its alignment so to the center. So you can just keep working on these things. You can add text here. So you can copy the stuff that I put here. There are 2 voice notes. You just have to how you can add voice notes. Let's talk on that. How you can add voice notes. I've talked about how you can add text. So these things are simple things. Okay. So how you can add voice notes. Once you record a voice note, let me go to my WhatsApp. Once you record a voice note, you must understand the business. That's why you must be able to be if you understand the business or be whatever you want to promote, you must be able to summarize it in 5 minutes so that this thing will save your stress. If anybody comes to your DM, they will just go there and check it. They don't have to they would have seen the video and everything you've uploaded there. So this is how you can upload. All right, let me just choose a voice note here. Okay, so you tap on this top three icon there, tap on share. You need to have Google Drive on your phone. Google Drive, this drive, try to download it if you don't have it. So tap on Google Drive, so you can save it in your Google Drive. All right, it has saved there. So I'm going to my Google Drive app now. Here is the Google Drive app in case you don't know it. Just search for Google Drive in your app store or Play Store to access this thing. Okay, these things are simple things. You might feel it's hard, uploaded just now. Then there's one important thing you are going to do here. Tap on this three icon here. Tap on this manage access. You can see here this second thing you're seeing here. Okay, so once you tap on it, it will be restricted to just you. You are the only one that can see it. All right, so you will change the restriction to anybody, anyone with the link. Okay, so once you upload it on that website, anybody can listen to it. So it has changed. Then all you need to do is to tap on this three icon and copy the link there. Okay, so if you want to add audio to your website, the website you are creating, you want to add audio to the website you are creating, these are things I had to learn on my own. It's not as if anybody taught me. Okay, so and I'm teaching you for free now. So these are things that you have to, if you want to save stress, especially people that you have, maybe you have a work you are doing and you can't have time to be attending to everybody that comes to your DM. You have to automate all of these things so that you can do them on your own. Okay, so you tap on this plus icon. Maybe you want to add audio. This is the audio here. Then these are the audio they accept: Google Drive, SoundCloud, and Bandcamp. I don't know about these things. The Google Drive I know about. So I just paste the link for my Google Drive there, and I tap done. So this is the drive. This is the way it's going to appear. But when you publish the site, it's going to appear, instead of appearing like, it's going to appear as some kind of a media file. So if anybody sees it, they'll just tap on the pay and it's going to start paying what you've said. Okay, so then if you want to add video, I think it accepts just YouTube videos. Okay, it accepts YouTube, Vimeo, and Twitch. Okay, it accepts Facebook videos too. Wow. And it accepts Google Drive videos. But the one I uploaded was YouTube video. So you just put your YouTube video link here. Okay, so anything you do, any maybe Facebook, maybe you uploaded it on Facebook, you can put it there so that it will not take them to Facebook, because you just take them, they will be able to watch it on the website. So it's as simple as that. All right, so you're just adding text, pictures, videos, and you can customize it to anything you want. Okay, so these are you can see ready-made templates here. You can put your TikTok link here. You can put you saw it on my website. You can put your Instagram profile. So if anybody comes to you, then they can even try to check these things on their own, so that they can be more confident that you are human. You are human being. Okay, because nobody will buy from you if they can't see they can't see an evidence that you exist. Maybe you are just using WhatsApp. People that wants to buy from you will make their research. That's one thing. They will go to different platforms to check if you are actually real. Okay, because they don't want to waste their money. Even if they are buying something worth that is not even if the amount of what they are buying is not worth it, is small, they don't want to waste their money, so they will try to check. Even if you are not active on this platform, just open an account. Okay, open a Twitter account, a Facebook account, an Instagram account, and I think that three is the most important. I'll end this video now. I have a call.